Good morning. It's like 11:30 on Saturday. Ooh, there's a big carpenter bee. You hear the frogs? They are out. It rained yesterday, so I guess they're feeling froggy. I got some lumber here and a big post, and then some other things. Today I'm going to finish up the outhouse for sure. Finish up the outhouse, and then I've got a big post over there to put up the wind turbine generator that I have. I'll put it in front of the glampsite, and when it's windy and storming, we can still make some electricity to charge those solar generators. You see right there behind me, that's the outhouse, so the door will be facing that way. So it's about 30 feet from the parking lot. It's private. And then after we get the outhouse done and that post for the turbine generator, then we're gonna finish up the shower house, which is back there, because outdoor kitchen's done. I think I'll install a little sink with like a 5-gallon bucket catch that you can put a little sifter over, so it sifts out all of the debris and whatever comes off your dishes, so you can toss that into a bag and then just toss the water. Keep the bugs and pests and critters and things away. But yeah, that is the plan today. It's nice and cool out here. It's like, I don't know, 79 degrees in the shade. It's 80 something in the sun, but here in the shade it's good. Let me show you. Right now I gotta clean up this mess here. Outdoor kitchen's done. Shower house needs to be done. Under here is done, finished. And then this is the path that I created right here to go to the outhouse. So you'll come up here. There'll be a little lean-to on the top. The doorway will be right here. And you step in, and there's plenty of space in here. There'll be a bench here with a lid that lifts up, and then a toilet seat and a hole and a bucket under there, so that's where you go. And then I'm gonna put a little vent in this side wall and a vent in this side wall so the breeze blows through. And yeah, when you come out, there's the view of the glampsite. Doesn't it look cool? It looks awesome. You know, I didn't have really set plans for this. I had the plans for the deck right there the tent goes on, and I had preliminary plans for that, but that's totally different than what it was. I envisioned that, and then I envisioned that, and I just built it, and it just flows. Just flows. Just, flows. Works out good. So anyways, let me get to work and see what we get done. All right, well, we got ourselves a little rain shower here. It's coming down a little bit. Came up here on the balcony. You can see back there what I got done on the outhouse. I was in the process of putting some tin right there where those are, just a little accent piece. And I was gonna build the door and then put the purlins on put the ridge beams and then the purlins on the roof and then put the roof on. But hopefully this rain stops soon. If it doesn't, well, I'll just have to pack my stuff up and come back another day. But I get to hear the rain on the tin roof now, so that's pretty cool. So I didn't get done what I wanted to get done. It rained for a good hour, so I couldn't do much. I cut and built the door to the outhouse while it was raining, and then I just had to wait until it stopped raining because it was raining hard. It was coming down. It's golden hour right now though. Check that out. You see the sun back there? It's beautiful up here. Look at that. There's the outhouse. Well, what I got done on it anyway. I got all the frame done, so now I just got to do the roof and the siding, and it'll be pretty much finished. So let me turn this around. So I got that strip of metal right there. I'm gonna put a live edge board right there, and then I think I'm gonna do picket fence boards for the door, just so that it's a little bit lighter. I don't want it to be super heavy. I installed a spring switch, or a spring hinge there, and a spring hinge down there. So this will have a handle on it, so when you open it, opens up and it springs back. Doesn't quite shut. It'll clear itself eventually. It's a tight shut right now. And then inside, that is where the toilet will be. So there'll be a bucket underneath that, and then there'll be another bucket to the side with the pine dust in it to keep down the smell from the waste. But yeah, so I used the first cuts up there at the top to do the runners or ridge boards, what you call them, and then I'll do purlins across, and then put the clear plastic corrugated roofing material up there so the light will shine through, so you won't need a light in here in the daytime. And then you can have a seat on the throne right here, and yeah, use the bathroom. I'll put a vent here and a vent here, and maybe a battery powered fan on each side, one pushing, one pulling, so you can get some clean fresh air in here while you're doing your business or whatever. But yeah, I got a little mess over there, got to clean up. Hopefully I'll get to come back out here tomorrow and finish this up. Hopefully. We will see. But that's all I got done. And thanks for watching. Appreciate it. It's a lot of hard work. It's really humid out here. But it's nice. It's nice. It's nice being out here. It's nice seeing the sunset right there. It's nice seeing the mountains and everything around. You see back there, the mountains lit up. That's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Hit that like button and smash that bell so you get notifications for anytime I upload stuff. I upload shorts all the time. I try to post at least one video of the progress on the glampsite every week. Sometimes I'm not able to get out here every week, but most weeks I am. And I think there's only a few more weeks left before I am finished. And I won't have to come out here every weekend and work on this, because I've been doing that for like the last year. Not every weekend, but the weekends that I have been free, I have come out here and, you know, worked on it. And every time I come up here, I got like $300 to $600 to $1,000 worth of stuff. So check that out back there. Pretty cool. Thanks for watching.